Welcome to the daily meditation. We hope you enjoy this guided Kundalini meditation. To begin with, just make sure you are sitting comfortably with good posture. Your spine should be straight but relaxed. Ever so slightly lower your chin to elongate your neck. And close your eyes almost entirely, but for a little slit at the bottom. Your eyes should be approximately 10% open. And to begin with, we shall practice a little bit of mindful breathing, just to help us to relax and to clear the mind, ready for our Kundalini meditation session. We breathe in through the nose, allowing the breath to go deep into the diaphragm, and then breathing back out through the mouth. And again, observing the breath moving in through the nose, down into the diaphragm, and back out of the mouth. Now let us do that one more time. Breathing in through the nose, deep down into the abdomen, and then back out through the mouth. Now we shall place our hands in Anjali Mudra, which is simply prayer position. And just for a moment, we shall connect with the divine by focusing our attention on our third eye Ajna chakra, that is the energy center located between the eyebrows. And let us just be mindful of that energy center for just one moment. Now, in just a moment, we shall proceed into the next step. There are two options for the next stage. You may meditate on your breath. You may meditate on a Kundalini mantra, for instance, Satanama or Ramadasa. For the sake of this meditation, I shall simply use the mantra Om, or you may simply meditate on your breath. And so if you are using a mantra, begin to recite the mantra now. I shall proceed with the mantra Om. We allow the mantra to flow freely with the breath. We do not control it. It simply comes and goes while we observe the sound of the mantra. Continuing to focus on the sound of the mantra. From time to time, your mind will wander. Do not worry, this is only normal and natural. All you must do when your mind does wander is just very gently return your awareness to the sound of the mantra as it comes and goes naturally, effortlessly with the breath. Gradually, as we continue to meditate, the breath will become longer, and so the sound of the mantra will also be longer. But do not force this. Naturally, as you relax, your breath by itself will become longer. As we continue to recite the mantra, notice how the mantra creates energy in your body. Simply observe the energy that the mantra is generating within. Remember to focus on the energy within, not worrying when the mind wanders, just ever so calmly returning our awareness to the energy created by the mantra. And now we begin to breathe in 4 equal steps. As so, breathing in, breathing in, breathing in, breathing in, pausing, and then breathing out to an equal 4 steps. Breathing out, breathing out, breathing out, breathing out. Meanwhile, on the inhale, we draw the navel towards the spine. And so the entire process works like so. We breathe in, step 1, breathe in, step 2, breathe in, step 3, breathe in, step 4, pause, sounding the mantra in 4 steps on the exhale. Om, Om, Om. And meanwhile, drawing the navel towards the spine on the inhale. All the while, remembering that when the mind wanders, we gently return our awareness back to the breath and to the sound of the mantra. As you run through those steps one more time, we breathe in 4 equal parts. Note that I'm making the sound purely for educational purposes. You do not need to make the sound. And then pausing and then breathing out in 4 equal parts, making the sound of the mantra. Om, 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 Om. And that is the basis of Kundalini meditation. Soon this guided meditation will come to an end. However, feel free to continue to sit and enjoy your practice of Kundalini meditation. Simply breathing in 4 steps, pausing, and then breathing out in 4 steps while making the sound of the mantra. Thank you for joining us for this guided meditation. We invite you to join us for an private meditation session on thedailymeditation.com. Thank you for listening.